Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QEP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do is some house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 335 would be one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you're asked, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above 335. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 335, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 335 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? In the very near term, basically there was a little miniature channel here that formed on the top of that channel right up there around 355. So 355, near-term key battleground that'll need to be broken. If the price can get up above 355, then the next key overarching level, which is just simply where the party stopped today, was right up there at $3.70. All in all, though, price movement continues to act the way you would want to see it act. And what do I mean by that? Well, it just keeps on building these higher lows, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.